For many of us, access to credit is a given. We know we can walk into any financial institution and get a loan or a credit card without much, if any, trouble at all. We live our lives holding decent jobs that provide a certain level of financial security. And if times get tough, we can turn somewhere for help. Unfortunately, there are millions of people who can't make such a claim. For them, access to financial resources is not a given, it's a struggle. A safety net to them would be considered a luxury. The credit union movement believes that these people are not lost causes. One organization, Opportunities Credit Union, particularly embodies this ideal. Formerly known as Vermont Development Credit Union, this group of passionate individuals does more than scrutinize bottom lines and credit scores. Opportunities Credit Union looks into the hearts, hopes, and potential of the people who walk through its doors. They understand that we, as stewards of the people helping people philosophy, have as much an obligation to the less fortunate as we do to those with a hefty fortune. But let's make a clear distinction. Opportunities does not view its services as charity work. The credit union's signature counseling-based lending philosophy is captured aptly in its simple but pointed slogan. We don't say no, we say when. The credit union's ultimate goal is to create financially independent members by providing a mix of financial resources and guidance through the pitfalls of economic insecurity. Members reach out to the credit union for help through fragile economic circumstances to transition to lives of greater stability. The credit union has managed to maintain a balance sheet that would be the envy of most large and more fiscally conservative institutions. Opportunities Credit Union was founded in 1989 by Burlington Ecumenical Action Ministry in Burlington, Vermont, with only $20,000 in operating funds. Since that time, it has grown into a $36 million institution with 13,000 members, located in almost every Vermont town. It is a U.S. Treasury certified community development financial institution that throughout the years has loaned $136.5 million to a target population of low-income and financially underserved Vermont residents with a staggering repayment rate of 99%. Opportunities is successful because it is dedicated to its mission, understands its market, and has developed methods and tools that meet the special needs of a target population that is not well served by the mainstream financial system. Opportunities invented new ways to look at applicants and new tools to help them. The credit union offers targeted counseling, individualized action plans, accounts that offer special incentives to save tax refunds and credits, and innovative tools such as tracker loans, share secured loans that allow members to build a strong credit history. Expanding on the traditional services offered by financial institutions has contributed to the credit union's success. Understanding that it couldn't provide these additional services alone, Opportunities partnered with a variety of institutions. In its formative stages, Opportunities Credit Union reached out to the National Credit Union Foundation for assistance. A Callahan Fund grant allowed Opportunities to work on its first geographical expansion into Southwest Vermont, where it will open an outpost with Heritage Family Credit Union. Working in conjunction with 5 community action agencies, the credit union offers Working Wheels loans that help families transition from welfare to the workforce by providing an opportunity to purchase reliable cars for transportation. The credit union also struck up a partnership with Vermont's Agency of Human Services. For 10 years, the credit union managed a program to provide assistive technology loans that allowed disabled Vermont residents to purchase everything from hearing aids to communication tools and specially adapted vans. By teaming with the Vermont Economic Development Authority, The credit union is able to offer guaranteed small business loans for individuals with great ideas and business plans but inadequate collateral. Opportunities has reported positive net income since 1994. Its cumulative loan loss since inception of less than 1% compares favorably with that of many mainstream institutions, and it is rated well capitalized by NCUF. The credit union operates much more efficiently than typical community development financial institutions such as business and housing loan funds. And finally, the credit union's impact is demonstrated by its growth of over 30% per year, clearly demonstrating the need for its services. Opportunities Credit Union is viewed by many low-income Vermont residents as their only alternative in the financial services marketplace, helping members pay off high-rate debt, manage their money, expand their financial goals and savings, become more self-confident, and improve the overall quality of their lives. The credit union has been rewarded for its remarkable results. In 2002, the National Community Capital Association honored Opportunities with its Wachovia Award for Excellence in Community Impact. The Pew Partnership, a civic research organization, named the credit union as one of its prestigious Solutions for America. And in 2004, Opportunities President Carol Stewart received the Small Business Administration's Vermont Financial Services Advocate of the Year Award. By combining its commitment to its mission with a strong network of community partners, Opportunities Credit Union has created an organization capable of transforming not only its members' credit scores, but their quality of life. Its goal is to reach all Vermont residents by building a network of outposts within a 60-minute drive of every family who needs them. Indeed, Opportunities Credit Union is a shining example of the people helping people philosophy in action, and represents what the credit union movement is all about. Not for profit, not for charity, but for service. Ladies and gentlemen, the National Credit Union Foundation is proud to honor one of its grantees, Opportunities Credit Union, as this year's recipient of the Herb Wegner Memorial Award for Outstanding Organization.